Alright, just got the mini D plug in, so we're gonna vibe out, figure out what kind of cool stuff we can crank out with it. Not too much talking, let's get into it. This is the Blake keys. So I might mess with the modifiers a little bit here. So I added some low range right there. Yeah, I want something nice and chill. We're gonna make not lo-fi, but something nice and vibey. Like that. All right, got us a nice little cool vibe right there. I think I want the drums to start off like that right there. Yeah, perfect. We're gonna add a little bit of a few more percussive elements. These are all mini D plugins. And I got my key step in my lap right here. And I know you can't see it, but I just adjusted the shape. Now let's go back to modify this guy a little bit. Right there, I need to go to the speed. I'm gonna put it at 1. One more time. Let's see if we got it. There we go. I like that. I like that. All right. I want something. Ooh, some plucks could be nice. Oh, that sounds pretty cool. Some plugs. Oh, that's cool. Hold on. I like that. Let's record it in. We're gonna let that ride right there. I might add some more fills. I just want to get that melody out of my head. And I'm gonna do like a little counter melody. I'm gonna record it and then we'll change sound. Oh my God, what I just have in. All right, and the last plugin we're gonna put in here. I like that brass. I kind of want some strings in there. It's a little too clean. Like that. There we go. All right, let's check it out. All mini D. See what we got going on in here. Nice, simple, chill, very relaxed beat. Let go. I might put some vocals in here, like sample some vocals, like some old 70s pimp talk or something crazy on here. Something that don't even make no sense. Back in 1973, that's when I learned the green. You gotta trust the green. Cause if you don't trust the green, it ain't gonna trust you, baby. Just something weird like that. Something cool, that'd be cool. it. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, it's been your boy Q hollering at you. Peace.